Hello, all of you students. Welcome to the online class organized by South Point School. Myself, Varun Kumar Jha. Today we will discuss about some problems related to theorem 1 and 2. Now, in one number question, there is a figure is given. A, B, C, D, E. There is some measure of angle is also given 40, and this is a 150. So there is find the value of x from the joining figure. I think we have two constructions. There is a parallel AB to parallel CD. Only CD is produced to in any point. CD and any point that is P is denoted by this intersected point. There is 150 exterior angle of triangle PCE. Angle ECG equal to angle PEC. PEC, that means this angle, which is a 40 degree, and opposite of this angle is this and this. So there is sum is PEC and CPE. CPE. Exterior angle properties. Of triangle PC. Value of ECD is 150 and PEC is 40, and this is a not a given. We have to find the angle CPE. Angle CPE equal to 150 minus 40. Therefore, angle CPE is equal to 110 degree. CPE, that is this angle. And this is in another point, okay, CP is 100. After that, this angle and this angle is medial pair. Angle CPE plus angle BPC. BPC equal to 180. It is a linear pair at the center. So you can directly write there being linear pair. This is a 110 degree BPC equal to 180. Angle BPC equal to 180 minus 110. Therefore, BPC equal to 7. After that, BPC is equal to, I think you know, angle ABP equal to 7. Why? ABP is this angle. Being alternate angle. And AVP, which is denoted by x, so you can directly write that x is equal to 7. In other ways, we also find the value of x. This is a 150, and another angle PCE. This angle plus this angle is 180 degrees, so you can find the angle of this. After that, both angles, that is PEC and PCE, angles are opposite interior angle of angles this. Exterior of this triangle. After that, these angles are equal. And I think this is a 30 degree and this is a 40. The 40, 30, 70, and this is a alternate angles. And in other ways, we can also find this. Another how we have to figure this. This is a 150. Which is the parallel CD, and this is the E point. In other constructions, we can draw there this, which is the parallel to AB, parallel to CD, is parallel to this line. And this is a 150 degree, and this angle, pair of this and this angle, which is the co-interior angle. 150 and this angle, sum of these angles is 180, that means this angle is 30 degree, and we have to give a This is a 40 degree. Then total angle is 70, and according to this line parallel are alternate angles. These angles are alternate angles. So x is equal to 40 plus 30 equal to 70. Next question. In this figure, BP and CP. BP and CP are the bisector of angle ABC and this is angle ACD. I think bisector means equal two parts. So we can write the area length. This is the X, and this angle is, each angle is Y. Two solution. Let angle ABP equal to angle PBC equal to X, and angle ACD is equal to angle ECD. This is your Y. This is your X, so you can write there XC, and this is your Y. X. And you have a given in one angle is 58 degree. After that, we will go to the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, the exterior angle is this ACD. Angle ACD is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. Exterior angle properties. Of a triangle. The value of ACD is 2y and BAC is 58 degree and ABC is twice x. The 2x minus 2y, yeah, 2y minus 2x is equal to 58. There is 2 is common, y minus x is equal to 58. Or y minus x is equal to 58 by 2. That is 2 is the 4, 2 9. 29. Again, we will be going to the next triangle PBC. In PBC, there is exterior angle is PCD. Is equal to PPC plus, you have a question to BPC is fine. PCD is equal to BPC plus angle PVC. There is also exterior angle properties using PCD is Y and BPC is point, and this is the X. So BPC is equal to Y minus X. Therefore, BPC equal to, we already find the value of Y minus X is 29. Then you substitute the value of Y minus X, which is 29. So I defined. Last questions. ABC, DE, there is angle of this is 25 and sides are equal. It's read number. Okay, not here because there is a proof also. So you can write the given, starting from given. What is the given in this figure? In the joining figure, AB equal to AC, BD equal to EC, and angle BAE equal to 25. To prove triangle ADE is an isosceles triangle, and you have to also find the measure of angle ADE. ADE is improved with the original right, not any need to write and the value of this. And there is also not a need to constructions. So it is going to the proof. Statements, region. In one number, in triangle ABD and triangle ACE. AB equal to AC, region. In the whole figure, ABC equal to AC. So ABC is an isosceles triangle. So you also can write their opposite angles of equal sides are equal. That means base angles of isosceles triangles are equal. So you can write their angle B equal to angle C. Opposite angles of equal sides of opposite angles of equal sides of triangle ABC. And B number, BD equal to EC. Period. And 2 number, triangle ABC, ABD, congruent triangle AC by SAS exams. In 3 number, AD equal to AE, corresponding side of congruent triangle CSCT. Now in 4 number, in the triangle AD equal to AE. According to AD equal to AE, that means two sides are equal. So directly you can write there AD is an isosceles triangle. The triangle ADE is an isosceles triangle. From statement 3, this is the truth. After that, we will be going to the value of PAE. There is not a place, so we can find the value of AD. AD value is this angle. Now, angle ADE equal to angle AED. Opposite angles of equal sides of a triangle AD. Otherwise, you write there base angle of an isosceles triangle also. In triangle ADE, angle ADE plus angle AED plus angle DAE equal to 180 degree. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And we have first of all there is the right ATE is equal to AED. So you can also substitute the value of AED is 80 and DAE is 25. 180. Twice of AD equal to 180 minus 25, or angle AD equal to 155 by 2. Therefore, angle AD equal to 77.5. Next day, we will also discuss about some problems related to these exercise, theorem 1 and 2. Thank you.